In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop folder sharing in Dropbox. Let's tackle this task step by step, making sure you have all the insights and tips to successfully manage your shared folders. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and going to the Dropbox website. Once you're there, head over to the login page. Enter your credentials if you're not already logged in. If you need to sign up, you can do that as well. Once you've logged into your account, you'll find yourself in your Dropbox homepage where all your files and folders are accessible. Next, locate the specific folder that you've been sharing and now wish to stop sharing. Click on the folder to open it. Once the folder is open, you should see a button or label that says Share near the top of the folder view. Click on this Share button to manage the sharing settings for that folder. Now in the Sharing Settings window, tap on the Settings icon. This will take you to a more detailed settings page where you can make changes to how the folder is shared. Look for the section titled Who Can Add People or Manage Access, which might have a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down. Here you'll see different permissions that you can set for the folder. To stop others from adding more people to the shared folder, choose the option labeled Only the Owner. By doing this, you ensure that you're the only person who can add or remove individuals from this folder. This change limits the control for anyone else who had access before, keeping the folder more secure and at your discretion. After you have selected Only the Owner, it's crucial not to forget the final step, saving your changes. You'll see a Save button, usually at the bottom right corner or near the settings options you've just updated. Click on it to save these new settings. This process ensures your settings are updated in the Dropbox system, effectively securing the folder from others adding more people. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully stopped the folder from being shared unnecessarily. Remember, managing your shared folders correctly not only gives you peace of mind, but also enhances the security of your data. Whether you're handling personal files or important work documents, these steps ensure you have complete control over who can see and interact with your information. If you found this guide helpful, consider checking out our other videos for more useful tips and tricks on managing your digital life. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.